What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. This is going to be installed on our 2021 Ram TRX, and as you can see, or as you know by the title of this vehicle, these are some knockoff LED lights from a certain popular LED company. They don't have like branding on them or anything like that. They're just kind of modeled after them, so don't think like I'm faking the funk or anything in this. It's just I want to be fully transparent with you guys. They're unbranded. I just want to go ahead and show you guys exactly what you get when you order these. Obviously, as you can see down here, they're coming from China, so don't expect, American made quality like some of the other American LEDs, but I thought I'd just make a quick video showing you guys exactly what you get when you order these cheap LEDs. So as you can see, it just comes in a standard brown cardboard box. On the inside, packaged pretty well, bubble wrap, some styrofoam, and then as you can see up here, off-road LED driving lights. Get two of those, and then that's all there is in the box. No wiring harness, nothing like that. So if you are going to go ahead and install these, it's something you want to think about. So right up here, as you can see, they look very familiar to some other LED lights that are out on the market right now. There you can see right there the dimensions, and then right there just some more specs. Let's open up one of these lights. On the inside, they come fairly nice package, so they're going to be pretty well protected. And then here's the actual light itself. Relatively thin, looks like about 2 inches. Come with this little mounting bracket on the back of them. And then you can see it just has the positive, negative, and then the amber backlighting is the yellow wire right there. So you can basically wire the amber backing light to a separate switch if you wanted to go ahead and do that. But there you can see. Go ahead. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, guys. Quick in there, got some mounting hardware. But there you can see it. I mean, for the price, pretty epic. I mean, I don't know if they're epic, but they look pretty cool for the price. For $50 for a light, it's not too bad with, the bracket and everything like that, including shipping. So you can see right there, got the LEDs on both sides. Then you got 6 LED lights on the inside. Then it looks like you got some more down here, so it might be 9 altogether, not too sure. Then you got the little logo right there that also lights up. So there it is, guys. Just wanted to go ahead, do a quick unboxing of these lights. If you're interested, I bought these on eBay. I'll put a link down below. Like $100 shipped for both of them. And what I'm going to be doing, I'll just give you guys a quick look. So I'm going to be installing them right there, but actually behind the grill. So hopefully that all works out. If not, it's not a big deal. It's $100 wasted, but should be fine. So yeah, guys, quick video today. Stay tuned for the install video tomorrow. I like doing the unboxing a day before posting the install video. So yeah, guys, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.